Welcome back everyone. We are back with our videos now. Students, we had stopped. So in the previous video we were in exercise 3.4. First main was completed. Now we will begin with the same exercise, second main, that is verbal problems based on linear equation, that is simultaneous pair of linear equations in two variables. So the methods were now substitution and elimination. So together it was done. So now we are doing with the elimination method. First question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. That means it becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So for that, students, what we have to do here is, first we have to take let, that is exercise 3.4, second main, first one. Let the fraction be, we have to take, let the fraction be x by y, we have to take. Now the question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, that means x plus 1 by y minus 1, we get 1. The equation, the fraction becomes 1. The second time it becomes 1 by 2. The second time it becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator. That means the numerator remains same. If we add only 1 to the denominator, we get 1 by 2. So we have to get the equations through this, children. So let us cross multiply these two. The first one, here only 1 is there. So it becomes x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So x will bring this side, minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is equation 1. Now second, we will do it here. 2x is equal to y plus 1 into 1 becomes y plus 1. So 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is our second equation. So there are two equations, children. We have to do it with the elimination method. So directly we can do it here. The first equation is 2x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to minus 2. So already both are minus. So we have to take now minus only. Now this equation, it becomes minus plus plus. So plus y minus y gets cancels. 2x minus x is equal to plus 2, and this is 1. It becomes plus 2 now. This is 3. X is equal to 3. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 3 in any of the equation. So let us substitute in equation 1 or 2. If it is plus, you can go with the 2. So put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. So that is, equation 2. 2 into 3. X is equal to 3 minus y is equal to 1. 6 minus y is equal to 1. Y will transpose to the other side because it is with negative sign. 6 minus 1 is equal to y. Therefore y is equal to 5. Hence our fraction is x by y, means it is 3 by 5. So this completes the first question, children. Now let us move on to the second question. The second question is, 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. That means they have given about the Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu, means we have to take Sonu as x. Let the present age of Sonu be x. Let the present age of Sonu be x. So then Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. That was 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Sonu was x minus 5. 5 years ago means x minus 5. That time Noori was also, now what they have given is 5 years ago Noori was twice as old as Sonu. That means, yes children, here we have to take, let the present age of Noori also, let the present age of Noori be y. We have to take, or you can take Noori as x and Sonu as y. So 5 years ago Sonu was y minus 5 and Noori was x minus 5. So what was the relationship between them means, Noori was 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. That means Noori's was x minus 5, 3 into y minus 5. X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is our equation 1 children. So next we'll go for the second part, that is 10 years later they have told. 10 years later, that means after 10 years or 10 years later, Sonu will be y plus 10 and Noori will be x plus 10, because after 10 years it is. Then the relationship will be, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Noori will be 2 into age of Sonu. X plus 10 is equal to 2 into y plus 10. So x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. X minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. So that becomes now x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is our second equation. Now substitute by elimination method, x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, x minus 2y is equal to 10. So we can cancel x here, take minus only, this becomes minus, plus this is minus. So x gets cancels, minus 3y plus 2y is minus y and it is minus 20. So minus minus cancels, y is equal to 20. That is the present age of Sonu is 20. Now find the present age of Noori by substituting the value of y either in equation 1 or in equation 2. Now if you take it in equation 2, put y is equal to 20 in equation 2. X minus 2 into 20 is equal to 10. X minus 40 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 plus 40, it is 50. So that completes the second question, that is the present age of Noori. X means Noori is 50 and the present age of Sonu is, that is y, that is 20 years children. So that completes the second question.